setting up my alarm. Alarm goes off and it's day 894 of getting this bread. I want my first daughter to be a girl. When you wake up in the morning and it feels like you only slept for 8 minutes. When someone gives you directions but you still go the wrong way. When you planned on taking a 30-minute power nap, but wake up 4 hours later and it's all dark outside. Just found out my birthday is on the same day I was born. Life is crazy. A kid born in 2010 is now 18 years old. Let that sink in. I never thought I would have to explain basic math, but since we're here. A kid born in 2010 now is 2018. So you add the 10 to the 8 equals 18. Simple math. So the kid is 18 in 2018. Simple.